Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how to create customer defined formula in SAP BW Transformation. This video is relevant to all the consultant users, those who are worked on SAP BW, SAP BW for HANA or SAP BW on HANA because this formula is going to be used in the BW transformation. So first you should know the background for that. Like that, we all know about the SAP delivered function, like if I talk about substring, some datetime function, or concatenate. But here I'm discussing about the customer defined, which you can write your own logic, and that particular function can be built in your transformation library, and it is used for regular or faster development because you can always have that function in your library. And it runs on application server because you will be writing the code in a method. So this function runs on application server, not on the HANA server. And now we will know how to implement the customer defined function. In order to build this customer defined function, you should create through Badi implementation, and I will be telling you how to do that. First, you should go to TCODE SE19. This is a SAP standard TCODE where you should create the Badi implementation. So let me show you here in this screen. Like you can see that this is a SE19 screen, and here you have to provide the body name. So what is the body name? The body name is RSR connector. So this is a standard connector which you have to provide in this because in this screen, if you see that we have this edit implementation and below we have the create implementation. Since you will be creating a new body, so you have to provide that name in this classic body and then click on create implementation. And once you create the implementation, you should provide the name of the implementation, and then it will take you a screen where you will find an option to the get method. So you should double click on this get, then it will take you to a class builder, and there you have to define the function name. Very important, that customer defined function that you want to build. So this custom function name you have to provide. You should provide the class, you should provide the method. So all the information, required information you should provide, and then save and exit. So that's the only the part in body. And once you define this all required fields, then you just take the class name and go to TCODE SE24, and there you can actually edit and write the logic inside the method. So that's the way actually you can build this customer defined functions. But there are some rules that you should also follow. So let me tell you in this screen here. The function that you will be building, that name should start with cap C underscore, then the whatever names you like, and it should follow alphanumerical value like 1 2 3, or anything A to Z in caps. There should not be any space, no small letter, no blank space, or no special character as well. And the length of the text, the function name, should be maximum 61 character. And now the below points regarding the methods, and the method should be declared as public, and it can have importing, exporting, and returning parameter. There should not be any changing parameter since it is not allowed. And regarding this exporting and returning parameter, there can be only one exporting or returning parameter that you will be using in the method. So that's all about the custom defined function. I hope I could able to give you some steps, some ways how to build it. So I hope you can try it by your side, and please comment below if you find any problem, and also comment below if you like some other videos related to transformation or other BW areas. So thank you for watching, and also please look into the below videos. I have given the links in the description.